Oh, birthday. We have a birthday. Hey, Knoptop here. I'm going to show you how to edit photos on your phone using two apps you probably already have, Instagram and Snapchat. Let's get into it. So let's take a look here. We got to find a photo here. My friend Ryan's having a birthday. We're going to make him a little e-card customized. So we just got to find, I want to find a face. That one might work. His chin's a little covered. That one's pretty good. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Let's get a screenshot of that right there. Got it. So my buddy Ryan's into wrestling, so we're gonna try to find a wrestling photo. What is it? W-E? WWE? WWF? So I don't know. I'm gonna look for something I can Photoshop his head onto. That one's pretty good. All right, I like that one. I specifically like the referee, the look on the referee's face. Like, whoa? Let's save that one. Got it. So now we got the photo of the wrestler and a picture of his face. So now we just got to go and edit it. So the first thing we're going to do is crop this down. So once you crop down your photo using your photo editor, I'm using iPhone. So if you're using Android, I don't know how that's set up, but it should be just as easy. This is just the in-camera or in-phone camera album. All right, we're going to bring in his photo into Snapchat here, and we're going to cut out his face. So just a little scissor tool, swipe around, and let's see what this looks like. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh, all right. So we got a little bit of an issue here. His hat's getting cut off. That's not going to work. All right, no problem. We're going to take this into Instagram. So we're going to go into Instagram here and go into, we're going to upload this to a story, but we're not going to send it as a story. I'm going to do some editing here. I'm going to get the pen tool, make it as large as I can, and I'm gonna outline all the black space that I don't wanna come through, sort of like how you do like a green screen or something, except I'm gonna pick a color that's not already on here. I think red's gonna work. Yeah, red will be good. So we'll just go ahead and color that in with red as fast as we can. There we go, get it, get it. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Save that, and then we'll jump back over to Snapchat, and we'll do the same thing. We'll import that into Snapchat, do our little scissor tool and cut around the edge. Oh yeah, look at that. Boom, got it. Now usually it wouldn't take this much extra effort, but if there is a background that little auto select tool catches, it's an easy way just to go into Instagram, color around it real quick, and then jump back over to Snapchat and cut it out. All right, so now we got the cutout of the face and I have a background image. So we're just gonna go back into Snapchat and we're gonna bring that in and do some editing. We're gonna bring up our little icons that we have cut out. I've got a couple of them here. I've done this before. So we got Ryan's face here. We're gonna put it on one of these wrestlers. Let's see. It's just not quite working. We're gonna find another photo. All right, let's take a look here. Oh yeah, that one's pretty good. Yeah, he's gonna like that one. All right, let's use that one. So here we go. And what I like to do here is before I do that, I'm gonna just take a screenshot of the image after I crop it. That way I have the black bars and it just keeps it simple. So anyways, got that, bring it into Snapchat. We're gonna edit it, get our little cutout of the face. There it is. All right, and let's place it right there. Oh yeah, this is looking good. He's gonna like that. No, come on. No. Back to the editing. So we're editing this photo in Snapchat right now. We got it the way we want it. I'm gonna save it. And now it's saved at our camera roll. We're gonna take it into Instagram Stories. We're back in Instagram Stories. And the reason I take it back in Instagram Stories lets you put multiple layers of text. And so we're gonna go in here, we're gonna write happy birthday. There we go. Now this is gonna be cool. Check this out. It's a little trick. We're gonna select all, check our fonts, see which one we like. By holding the color with everything selected, I'm gonna slowly drag with my other thumb across the selection, slowly changing the color and each font. Look at that. And then let off at the same time, boom. What? Little Instagram trick for you. There we go, Ryan Dalton, nice. Set up some fonts and you can just get as creative as you want. I'm gonna go in here and try to find some festive little icons and emojis. Place those. Let's go into our GIFs, see if we got anything there. Oh, we got Shaq, we gotta put that in there. Now this is an animated GIF right here, so if I wanted, I could download this and save it as a video. It's an option. So let's see what else, if there's any other. What? That's not gonna work, hang on. Let's get another little thing here. There we go, put that one in, shrink it down. Perfect, all right, looks good. See, it's festive, it's looking festive. I think the clown might be a little too much. What do you think? Yeah, let's take that out. DTV presents Happy Birthday. I think he'll like that. I think his cat's name's Sparkles Princess or something. That looks close enough. So there's a little cat, perfect. I'm gonna save that, so it's gonna save it as a video, but I'll also take a screenshot just in case we wanna make a photo out of it. All right, got it. This would take you a while to do in Photoshop if you're gonna use a computer or if you were gonna use an app and do the cutout. You could get it to work, but how much more easy was that? How much more easy was that? English. All right, so let's upload this. You know what, let's upload the video. I think he's gonna like that. And then I'll write happy birthday. Meanwhile, all his other friends just wrote happy birthday. We just made a sweet custom graphic and it only took a couple minutes. So let's see here, let's see what this looks like. That looks sweet, look at that, look at all the colors. Oh yeah, he's gonna love that. So there you go, using Snapchat and Instagram, you can Photoshop photos on your phone using Instagram and Snapchat in a different way than you might have thought you could. Thanks for watching. If you like this, check out my other videos and subscribe for future videos. All kinds of cool tutorials, filmmaking tips and tricks. Knoptop, go make something. Oh, he loved it. Those images are just stored in your Snapchat app. Those images are just stored in your Snapchat app. Those images are just stored in your Snapchat app. So just keep them there and you'll probably use them either to send more snaps to friends or just make more little e-cards like this. I call them e-cards. Is that a thing anymore? You guys remember that? Hallmark digital e-cards?